in the lab, Twitch stream glowing, formulas flashing, minds wide, knowledge flowing, equations on the board, numbers never sleep, teaching math and physics while them haters count sheep. Actual education, tune in and get schooled, flipping textbooks, breaking all the rules, from Newton to Einstein, concepts elevate. Keep the stream, it's the key to our fate. Dr. Gold dropping gems, knowledge raining down, actual education making scholars all around. Perpendicular minds, angles sharp as ice, maths and physics, yeah, the future's real nice. Got the Pythagorean triangles about to flex, quantum theories on deck, breaking all the specs, relativity theories, worlds getting small, grasp the universal laws, standing tall. From the atom to the cosmos, we rolling deep, grafing up the stars, no time to sleep. Black holes and supernovas, concepts we unfold, brain power heavy, yeah, that's Dr. Gold. Dr. Gold dropping gems, knowledge raining down, actual education making scholars all around. Perpendicular minds, angles sharp as ice, maths and physics, yeah, the future's real nice.
What is up, everybody?
That's dope.
Let's get the music going. There's my lo-fi beats. That's very quiet. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah. Sorry for a slight delay today. Windows just decided to update itself. I hate that. Like, I boot this PC up, and then Windows decides, nope. No. We're just going to sit here and force you to update. It's no fun. All right, let me get back on. Let's get Discord running. There we go. Cool. All right, what's up, Seth?
Hey.
All right, we got chat. What's up, Shantrix? What's up, Adarsh? You can do an extra stream on Pi Day. We're gonna do something special for Pi Day, actually, with Eat of the Two-Eye Pie. Speak of the devil, right? Eat of the Two-Eye Pie. He's got to do something special for Pi Day. But he's going to do a big math trivia thing, which is going to be fun.
There's 5 questions in there, by the way.
5 questions? Oh, that's fun.
We missed one. We missed one from the 5th.
Oh, did we? Well.
Of Chantress.
They didn't complain about it.
Cube Shadow one.
Yeah, okay. I'll see it. I'll see if I see it. One second. Let me... I'm going to hide this.
I noticed that's the one that went off. We can do that.
There we go. Stop previewing. I need my frames back. Okay, cool.
One from Alex, one from Matt's, one from Adarsh, and then 2 Chantress. And then whatever else, because I didn't check the website, so.
Dude, Alex, yeah, Alex submitted one after we were finished streaming, so hopefully Alex comes by today. What is this sensation? What's missing? That's hilarious.
I did not check the website.
Yeah, well, no. So how the website works is those will only pop up during the stream, because if someone submits something, I think it's like outside the 3-hour time period that we're streaming, they just get deleted automatically. That's to ensure that people don't start just spamming images on my server. Don't do it, please.
They don't pop up in Discord, so.
Yeah. Well. Yeah. So. Anyways, yes, welcome everyone back to Office Hours, another lovely episode of Math and Science Homework Help. Let me see, what's up, Reiki? Yeah, good to see you. Yeah, some cool stuff. It was so interesting. Yesterday, I was, this weekend, I went to a birthday party for an old friend that I used to do running clubs with, and turns out she's an agent for the Writers Guild or something, or she represents a bunch of screenwriters and stuff. And I live in Los Angeles, so everyone here is somehow in the industry of film or something. So I just know her from running. But then we were at this birthday party, and everyone there was involved in film at some point. Some people had TV shows they were doing. Some people had movies. One of the guys represented the writer for Stranger Things. I was like, wow, that's dope. Man, that's cool. That's a big TV show. And also John Wick. He did the screenwriting for John Wick. I was like, oh, that's cool. So anyway, she called me yesterday just to be like, oh, hey, thanks for coming for my birthday party and stuff. And I said, yeah, that's cool. And she said, oh, by the way, do you know anything about chemistry? Like, do you teach chemistry? And I'm like, yes, I teach lots of chemistry. And she said that there was a couple of her clients, actually, who were looking to adapt chemistry book things, chemistry education into, like, toys or, like, TV shows and stuff. And she said, hey, yeah, can you just give me, like, a one-page PDF, summary of like who you are and what you do in portfolio stuff. And so that's what I was working on this afternoon, because she then texted me again this morning, be like, hey, just reminder. And I was like, oh, wow, okay. Are you trying to be my agent? Because, I mean, this is pretty quick. You're asking for this. And she said, yes, it's my profession to nag people. And I said, okay. So that's what I was doing today, was writing up a cute little one-page professional profile, I guess is what we would call it. So here, I'll show it to you guys what it would look like. Just another thing in the world of being an adult, of having to do things. So this is, for instance, my little profile I wrote. Just a cute little picture of me from LinkedIn, some title, and then a little thing about like what I do. I talk about you guys a lot, actual education, the Discord. I talk about the live streams and stuff, the TikTok videos, and then you got to put a little portfolio here, because this is really what they want to see. They want to see, like, what type of content does this person make. So that's what I was doing this afternoon.
Someone posted something in your main.
Someone posted something in my main? Who is it? Is it
your
Ash?
office hours.
In my office hours main. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's just Nick saying cool. Or also, yeah. That's okay. Yeah. So, another big accomplishment. We hit 1,500 followers today on Twitch. I just got the notification for that. Yeah, 2 hours ago. Slayer Darth. Thank you, dude.
That's dope.
Thank you for being our 1,500th follower. That's super cool, Slayer. And Gold Boolean. Who's Gold Boolean? I like that name. That's a fun username. Anyways, so yeah, I gotta reset the goal now for what we're doing for Twitch. Maybe I'll set it to 1750. I think that's another cool number. 2,000 is gonna be a little bit far away. I don't know if we're gonna hit 2,000 for another like 6-7 months. But yeah, it's been great to see the channel grow and stuff. I appreciate you guys tuning in, asking questions, telling all your friends. All that stuff helps us out a lot, because then I don't have to spend money running ads to get people involved. Yeah, if we look at, what is it, the number of followers, if I look this over, I'll show you guys my stats and stuff. You guys can see what it means to be a Twitch streamer. Yeah, if we look at what follows, this is follows, and then let's see it for the last, I don't know, let's say for the last year. So what, March to March? Yeah, there you go. So one of these days we got 100 follows. That was on December. That's screwing up the whole graph. But yeah, we've got 900 new followers in the last year, which is super cool. Muhammad, I do remember you, dude. You're from Pakistan, right? You're the Pakistan guy. Good to see you, Nick. Nice. We're gonna do some of your questions too then. All right, cool. All right. Yes, thank you everyone. Appreciate. But enough about me. Let's get on to helping you guys out with math and science and kick off the stream. All right, let's go. Welcome everyone to Office Hours. My name is Dr. Gold's Actual Education. The stream helps you with math homework, science homework, all sorts of fun stuff.
Nice.
Sorry, what were you saying, Seth?
You want to start with that gross one?
Oh, the gross one? Who's the gross one? Is that Max?
March 5th.
March 5th.
March 5th.
Oh, that's very far ago. Let me start with what happened today.
That's
what I
What
tend to do is, yeah, let me do today's questions, and then I'll see if we got time to go back to other days of questions.
Then I will do this to help you out then.
Oh, cool. Yeah, if you want to take a look at it first, yeah, that's totally
I
cool.
just did that.
Oh, interesting. Oh, that looks really
copied
ugly.
The picture. I just did the picture in my
I appreciate
save and
that.
moved it.
I appreciate
And the
that.
check mark in the old one.
Thanks,
So
Seth. Yeah. Shantrix, have you ever beaten the Ender Dragon? Who's the Ender Dragon? Explain to me. What's the Ender Dragon?
Minecraft.
Oh, that is like the one quest you can do or something, right? We used to have a
technically finish the game or something, but
yeah.
you need to play. So.
What's up, El Espanta Viejas? Viejas means old, right? Ortolon Legongo beef. Well, now you're speaking. This is very long words in Spanish. Final boss of Minecraft. Yeah, we used to have a Minecraft server. I used to play Minecraft with you guys. I don't know. It seems like a little too complicated to keep crafting things and building things. I don't know. My attention span was... Which is surprising y'all have the attention span, because that's what they're all yelling about these days. Okay, cool. All right, here, let's see this question. This is from Max. So Max says, how do I calculate the range of sine of 2x?
Is it sine of 2x there, or is it something else? Because that isn't... That's...
So he has two questions. I think, for instance, I think that's why he wrote like a 1 here. So this is like question number 1, and then this is question number 2. The reason why he's doing this...
That sine of 2 something x.
2 times x. I believe that's 2 times x. He could say 2 times the absolute value of x, but that wouldn't really matter either. I'm in 8th grade. If one angle is 12.9, another is 37.1, and the rest is x plus 17 to the cosine, what's the difference between the triangles? Because I think my paper messed up. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense, Banana. I would say that. Yeah, Banana. Banana has this question like, yeah, tell your teacher. They messed up. Also, yeah, what sometimes helps, sensation. God damn it. Okay. If you have a screenshot of your question, because usually if I can see the screenshot of, if you just take a picture of what your teacher has, I can try to decipher what I think it would be. Yeah, exactly. Send it on the website. Shantrix is 100% correct. So there is, yeah.
You would Discord link for him.
I could.
Over.
Yeah, it's Banana. It's Banana. They're on YouTube, which I gotta figure out what channel that is.
It is.
There's a lot.
Banana.
Banana. He says banana. Yes. Yes. If you guys ever want to, I think that's it. Submit.actualeducation. If you click that website, so I'll show you what happens when you click on that website. Yes, I would like to leave YouTube, please. Yeah, this is what you get. You'll get a little website like this. Just put your username in, and then take a picture of what your homework is. Upload the image. Once you upload it, you'll get a nice little notification saying that it worked, and that way we'll get it sent to us on Discord, and then I can help you out with it and see what's up. So, yeah, try doing that. You can also always join the Discord if you want to interact with us quicker. Does that work? I wonder if that does. Nightbot needs to be reading this. Maybe it doesn't. Oh, it does. Nice. Good job, Nightbot.
Where is it then? Because it must have not went.
Yeah, so interesting. So what I have that set. So the chat that shows up here on the live stream ignores things from Nightbot. Otherwise, it just gets clogged. But they see it on their chat. Yeah.
Okay.
There's a lot of moving parts in this live stream. A lot of moving parts. But okay, let's do this question first. Let's do some math. The range of...
Before
what's up?
On,
what's up, Sensation?
The whole Juice did this, right?
Yes.
Actually play the animation and read his lips.
Okay, let me see it. Let me read it. Let me play it. Oh, I see. Isn't he 40, dude? This dude just turned 40. Didn't he, Cristiano Ronaldo?
Probably. But can you tell what he's saying, though?
I don't know. Well, it sounds like he's trying to say what the caption says, but I don't know if he's actually saying that.
Injusticia.
There's in there.
Oh, Injusticia?
Injusticia.
Oh, Injustice. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There's Zach and Endar.
Yo, what's up, Zach and Endar? Man, everyone's coming on by today. Evening to you, Endar. Yes. Yeah. Shout out to Zachy. Zach, we're gonna have your super fun Pi Day thing coming. Is it on the calendar yet? Not this calendar. That's my personal calendar. This calendar. There you go. Now, so we have a calendar also showing when everyone else is streaming. There it is. Friday, 2 to 4 p.m. Yep. We got the Pi Day Math Trivia Challenge. So yeah, come on by. That's gonna be Pacific time, 2 o'clock. I guess we'll host it probably on your. You're gonna host it, Zach, right, on your server? So I'll just join your voice chat or something. But I'll make an announcement.
Coding and everything done.
Yeah. So. Am I gonna?
Don't.
Am I what?
Heading out early today.
I should. I technically have a dinner I'm supposed to go do in an hour and a half, but I might miss the dinner. It's okay. Am I streaming? I wasn't planning on streaming, but maybe I'll talk to Zach if we want to leverage both our audiences. I think we can do like a collab stream. Is what we can do. There's a what? Oh, there's Sensation cam.
It's like what happened to my hair. It's like I blamed the Jews.
Oh, God damn it. All right, let's try to do this question. Here we go. I want to do something. All right. I'm doing a map test at school where it's like you test to see where your level and understanding. It's weird. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's called like an assessment test. All right, sine of 2x. So when we say the range, that's asking what are the possible outputs of this? Possible output
Well,
y
that's
values of this,
the
right?
best way to do this might be to go backwards.
Yeah, well, I just think about sine of x, right? So,
Well, what,
like,
here's the way I'm thought of it. What are those inputs?
oh yeah, you got to make sure all
And
the
then
inputs are
plug them
good,
in.
and then
And
check
then
out
plug
what all
them
the
in.
outputs are. Yeah,
Yes.
as long as you're not dividing by 0 or doing anything weird on the inputs, you can usually put whatever you want in. The domain is almost always going to be all real values, unless, again, you're dividing by 0, you got ln's of negative numbers, or you're taking square roots of negative numbers. Like, you're not allowed to do that. You can't do it.
No.
No, we can solve this. We can solve this range through transformations. Then
You could. I don't really need to, though, right? Because this is just a horizontal stretch.
It's 2 moves. The only change is x to 2x.
Yeah, which is a horizontal change. But in general, sine
We're
of
not.
whatever the fuck is just going to output negative 1 to 1. That's just what happens. Just remember this. This is a very important thing in math that will come up, especially when you do like the squeeze theorem in calculus and other sorts of stuff. So sine of whatever is negative 1 to 1. I don't care that it's 2x because whatever. 2x doesn't really mess up what I can put in. So the range of sine of 2x is just negative 1 to 1. Which you could write
Now,
in...
which change if it was...
You can write it in this form if you wanted to.
If it instead was written as sine of, say, x plus 2, then it might be affected a little bit.
No, it wouldn't. No. If it unless it was this. You're talking about the 2's on the outside?
I mean, like sine of parentheses x plus 2. So the x
Yes,
is being
exactly.
and-
And we're going to get to that. That's what the second question is. So, for the first one here, Max, it's just negative 1 to 1. Good, easy, nice.
Perfect.
This is where things get weird, which is going to be sine squared of x. 3 sine squared of x minus 2 over 10. Okay. Try to do 3x minus 1. Well, if it was just sine of 3x and then minus 1, we could show that one banana, right? This, again, is only going to get you things between negative 1 to 1. So I always like to think about the extremes. So if I had negative 1 in for this whole thing and then minus 1, that would get me negative 2. And if this whole thing was 1, I get 1 minus 1 would just get me 0. Wow, thanks, Sam. What's up, Sam? I know, Sam. I told you I do need to drink some water, so I'm gonna have to do it. I can't disappoint you twice in a row. So here, I got a water jug for you. This is what we're gonna have to do. But you did redeem the drink water thing, so I will.
Bro has a whole jug. Nah, that's crazy. Yo, what the?
Okay,
Yo,
Sam.
what
Does that work out for you, Sam? I drank some water. Thank you.
That's crazy.
Okay. All right. So yeah. So in this case, sine of 3x going from negative 1 to 1, it would go from negative 2 to 0. Let's get on to the actual question at hand here, though, which is this. The 3 sine squared of x minus 2 over 10. Okay.
Now, sine squared doesn't do much. That doesn't do too much.
Oh, it does. Sine squared definitely does. Yeah. Sine squared is the same thing as sine of x times sine of x, which is the same thing as sine of x squared. Now, if you square a number, that means you can't have anything be negative. So instead of this going from -1 to 1, this is now going to go from 0 to 1 as like the possible outputs of sine of x. And we can see that, right? So watch that. If we like graph this, let's use the graph plotter. Graph plotter time, right? So
Desmos.
or Desmos, yeah. So sine of x looks like this. Pretty chill, right? Versus sine squared. I think you can write it like this. No, we don't like this.
Nope,
right?
you cannot. There you can.
Ah, it does work. Okay, Desmos is smart. Yeah. So
Yep,
sine squared of
Desmos
x.
nice. Desmos does like it.
Yeah, Desmos
you
does
write it
like
right.
it. Yeah, if you do that on a calculator, you probably get probably mess up. But this forces basically anything negative to then pop up and be positive, because -1 squared is just positive 1. Yeah. So, yeah, that's what happens between those two things.
And then we just can multiply and maneuver.
Yeah, we got to do a bunch of stuff, Seth, right? Yeah, okay. So, if
But
this
it's not
thing is going to be between 0 and 1, okay, I'm going to I like to do 2 different cases. So I'm going to do the case when it's equal to 0. I'm going to do the case when it's equal to 1. Because these are like the extremes, is what I would say. So this would be the same thing as 3 times 0.
Me. I'm going to use a wording there.
Well, it's like a boundary.
Extrema.
Extrema. Yes, technically.
Yeah.
What is the weird little thing that looks like an E, but it's like pointy? Oh, you talking about this? Sigma? Talking about Sigma? Sigma boy. Don't you guys love that song or something?
Function.
Yeah, summation attention. Yeah, it means sum,
Okay.
banana. Yeah, it's summation notation.
Take this function. Add this function until it tells you to stop.
Exactly.
I hate that song.
The Sigma
it's too
Boy song?
catchy. It's too catchy.
Isn't it a Russian? It's a Russian song, no?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Who's the artist?
Russian
Don't you-
artist, but
Yeah,
No,
it's a
I don't
chick,
know.
right? Some Russian chick or something?
or some guy. I don't have no.
Well, I
freaking
can't
clue.
tell anymore, honestly. It's 2025.
No.
Anyways, if you plug in these endpoints, right, you then get the different values for the output. And look at this. This is going to go now from -1/5 up to 1/10. So, pretty cool.
But you can Desmos that to check yourself, because that's probably
I could, but I don't really want to.
well.
It's just going to take more time.
You already have the sine squared of x. You just put.
Yeah. Oh, you're right.
You
Okay.
can put 3 more. Not you just put.
All right.
Five more
I'm
buttons.
gonna stop being
Ah.
lazy. You're right. I should. Okay. 3 sine squared of
You have
x
the function in there. You just
minus
put 5 more
2. You're right. Okay. Divide by 10. The issue here is that now it gets tiny. But
buttons.
yeah.
It's easy. Just put down a point. Just put down
Yeah.
on the matches and mens. Just you can do that.
Does it do? It does do the max. Oh wow, that's cool. It does the point
That's how
1 and then it
that's
does the minus
my
point
work
2.
and that's
Oh,
also how
Banana
I check.
says it's Svetlana Chertisheva and Maria Yankovskaya.
Yep, some shit.
Oh, that's a mouthful.
It's not a V. It's like
Dude, what are these chickens sensation you're posting?
interesting.
Yo.
God damn. Okay. Anyways, good job, Max. That's a pretty nice question. I hope you guys learned something.
Going to mark this.
Yeah, mark it with a check mark. Nice.
Is Alex here or is he not?
Alex, we would know if Alex is here. He comes in and tells us the joke of the day and something. So, okay, if he's not.
Is anything in your website?
I don't see any posts yet. No, don't see any.
Okay.
You have access to
We
that channel,
could,
do you not? Do you not have access to that channel?
I don't
web
know what
help-
that is. I don't
Oh,
know
it's
where
called-
that stuff is now.
Oh, it's called Web Help Screenshots. Sorry, maybe I only have access to it.
You
Maybe
might
'cause I-
only. That's okay. As long as
It's
someone
okay.
has access to it.
Yeah. Well, because I worry about like what will sometimes get posted there. That's why I want to make sure I'm the only one that can see it.
We have,
Because it is a public web link that anybody can upload any photo to.
and we have
So-
Darsh.
Yeah, same game with
That
Darsh.
was
Yeah.
actually another domain and range, Hudson.
Yeah. All right, good job, Max. Nice. There's your question.
Yeah, don't tell me the picture this time. I'll just read it to you. I'll just read it out what it is. So you can
All right, just read it to me. What do we got?
y equals or f of x equals, because I'm a fan of.
You like f of x better. All right, he likes f of x.
Equals 3
Uh-huh.
times the expression defined as. So you have to be very careful to them. Maybe an expression is to
Uh-huh.
the power of x plus 5.
E to the x plus 5 all minus 1. Wow.
Yep. all
That's
minus
cool.
1. Yep.
But is this solve for the inverse again, Adarsh? Adarsh, is this solve for the inverse?
I expect so, but it doesn't say, so
Here,
I
I'll
should
tag him.
confirm that.
I'll ping him. Svetlana. Yeah, that's a very Russian name, banana, isn't it? Svetlana?
Inverse equation. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Form an inverse.
Now, yeah, what's the thing, Nick, with Russian names? They change their last name,
Oh.
right? If you're a girl, it's
Actually,
Eva. If it's a boy,
Because of
it's
that information.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the last few letters at the end, yeah.
Because of that
R-E-V-A.
information.
What's up? What's up with the information?
Because of the information that he said.
Yeah.
Let's switch the f of x back to y.
Oh, because he wants an inverse. Yeah, okay. Cool.
I don't want to. We can't do inverse with that.
Okay, let's just do that. Okay. Sensation.
But
What's this?
we can write it back in f of x at the end because we need f inverse of x.
Well,
at
we
the
just
end.
want y inverse is what we want. I think usually. So you tell me, Adarsh, but usually your teacher, I think in this case, will want to eventually have y inverse of x.
Has always done. No, my normal way has done. Here's an f of x. Inverse this. Draft the
Yeah.
inverse. Draft the inverse. Plot the inverse, and then put it back in f inverse of x.
Yeah.
And so is how.
Adarsh says the teacher just wants y inverse of s.
Okay.
Y inverse, yeah, of whatever. Okay.
So switch. And the
Switchies. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch these. Switch this around. Switch with this.
This function is nice for one reason. You know what it is?
Why is it nice?
Well, there's not more than one x.
That is nice. I will say that. Yeah. Yeah. We might like try it like a harder one.
We don't quadratic in this mess.
Yeah, quadratics become kind of a mess. If you do not, she takes all the points off for the question. That sucks, dude. What?
You know what? If you do not what?
If he doesn't write y inverse of that. Retro Bowl Idiot says, what is this? This is a live stream, Retro, where you can ask whatever question you have about your math or science homework, and we'll do it on the stream for you. For free. Live. Yeah. You get to learn stuff. Yeah, learn some stuff while you're doom scrolling, you know? Don't swipe away, dude. You don't need to see someone eating Tide Pods. Okay. All right, next thing to do is to solve for x by getting
we already
y
solved
by
for x.
itself.
Thank you. You're done. Based on your statement. You
Sorry,
just
yeah.
loaded it.
Well, solve for x is usually I guess sorry, you're right. Solve for y. It's technically what it is.
There you go.
Okay. So first thing I'll do is add 1 to both sides. So that's going to be x plus 1 is equal to 3e to the y plus 5. Okay. This is cool. I like this. The next thing I like to do, I always like to see just what is the furthest away from this thing I'm trying to isolate. And in that case, it's the 3. And then what is the 3 doing? The 3 is multiplying. So I want to do the opposite of multiplying, which means I want to divide. So divide by 3.
Now,
Divide
do we
by
want to
3.
write it 1/3 x plus 1/3, or do we want to leave it as that?
I like leaving it this way, just personal preference.
Yeah, I do. But I do that
It's
too.
neater.
But to save space, I always turn it on its side. So,
Oh, okay.
meaning x plus 1 in parentheses divided by, with the horizontal division, 3 normally.
Wait. You do this.
Times same space.
You, don't tell me you do this. This is savage,
No, not
dude.
that.
What?
Not that.
Okay.
Not that.
Yeah, don't do that,
Doing
please.
a
That
doing
hurts me.
slash. Doing the expression slash as a division.
Oh, you do this?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sometimes.
that's weird.
I do that unless there's an
I don't know
unless
about that.
case.
Unless.
It's nasty on top and bottom.
Oh, I see.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Locked.
Yep.
Dude, oh my god, sensation. I love this math joke. I mean, if it was dy d pi, technically that's correct.
Well, pi is a constant.
Yeah, I know, but maybe pi could be a variable. Okay, anyways, all right. This is e to the y plus 5. Anytime you need to get this thing down from the exponent, we're going to use the handy dandy log.
That's dope.
So we're going to take the log of both sides. And actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take the ln of both sides. Yeah, exactly. I get to choose what type of log I want. You have choices.
What you could do is let's take the log of both sides. Let's do what you did.
Oh, yeah, let's just say I just use regular last log. Yeah, okay, sure.
No, log best E.
Oh, log base E.
Not written as. So you could have kept it like that and just done that.
Yeah, I could have done this.
And then taught elimination. Taught E's on
Yeah, exactly.
log rules. And then
Raw log.
mentioned log rules.
Yeah. So, yeah, again, log of something to an exponent means that the exponent is going to come down out front. So we're going to take this.
Log base A of A to the B is B log
Exactly.
something of A.
Yeah. So this right here, the log base of the same thing, this all goes away to become 1.
Log base A of A.
It just becomes 1. And then we're left with log base E, which I'm going to rewrite as ln. It's just nicer, less things I got to write. You know,
Yes, you did. Yes, you did, friend.
I lost the divide by 3. No.
That completely messes yourself up.
Damn,
That's
dude,
when
I
you
messed
use
up.
Surprise, motherfucker.
God damn, I hate when that happens. All right, cool. Divide by 3. Okay, y plus 5. Okay, thank you, Endar. Endar, you here. I'm gonna give you a little point, a little save for that. Appreciate that, Endar. Endar, are you doing anything special for Pi Day for your students? Do you guys like bring pies in, or is that like illegal now because some parent would sue for getting food poisoning or something?
That's what my teachers in all the way in 7th grade 5 years ago was gonna do. But you know what happened?
What happened? Some parents sued?
COVID happened. That was the year of COVID.
Oh, COVID happened.
COVID
Yeah,
happened.
that sucks, dude. Yeah, that's bad. Endar says probably canceling. Endar says he's probably canceling most of his classes that day, dude. Wait, why are you canceling your classes?
Bro doesn't want to see the kids no more, bro.
Oh, he said it's the day before spring break. That makes sense. Okay, cool. Yeah, no,
It's 1 week before spring break for us, but a nice
yeah,
weekend.
I know some kids that are on spring break right now for like 2 weeks, but he is right. Usually the day before spring break starts, everyone just pulls their kid anyways to go on like. Oh yes, this is wrong. Okay, so the key thing we got to do after we've solved for y is I got to put y to the -1. Yeah, don't make that mistake, guys. Yeah, this is it. This should be it, right?
What you said there is that natural out of this -5 is the same as E as the old expression you had.
Wait, sorry.
Because
What did I
y
do?
equals both of them, so you should set them equal to each other. So you're technically saying that they're both the same,
Yeah, we can't say the same. Yeah.
which you don't want to say that.
There you go. That's the answer, dude. That meme is classic sensation. God, dude. Hey, listen up, you guys. God, kids don't know about that meme. They really don't. It's such a great one. That's a classic.
No else yet? Anything in your?
Not yet. No, we're doing good so far. All right, good. Good job, Adarsh. You get points.
So we don't miss those to go back to doing the hard
Good job, Adarsh.
So we have a game. We have a probability game here.
Okay.
Probability game and
And then Chandrix has another one that's gonna hurt me.
geometry.
I feel like these are all gonna hurt me. This is Venn diagrams.
Yes, they are. That's why I'm here.
Man, I fucking hate Venn diagrams.
And that's also why I came in first time. So I saw we had 2 of these, and these are both nightmares.
Yeah, these are nightmares. Okay, fine. All right, let's see. Okay, a school trip offered its participants 3 activities: hiking, canoeing, and swimming. Attendance records
Let's do something here
show.
so we don't have to deal with names. H, C, and S.
Oh, yeah. Let's, yeah,
We will
okay.
need that.
Yeah, let's
Do
do
not
that.
use K because we need K later.
Oh,
But
damn it.
you should
Let's
erase that.
I did. I make mistakes sometimes. Okay, there we go. Okay. I got... Oh, Endar actually got an answer for this one. That's cool. Okay, so this is H. This is C. And this is S.
Yeah,
And then they say...
NCNS. Your H is...
My H's kind of look like N's. Yeah, okay. There's a taller H. It's a short king H. 10 students participated in all 3 activities. 50% participated in at least hiking and canoeing. 60% participated in at least hiking and swimming. K% participated in at least canoeing and swimming. and no students participated in fewer than 2 activities.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, what's my gripe of this one? What do you think my little gripe is on this one?
I don't know how many students there are.
And at least is the gripe. They
Well-
use at least. It could be all 3 for all we know.
Yeah. Get that haircut. Goddamn
So.
sensation. Yeah,
I mean,
you're
rule
right.
by rule. Writing notes.
And then it says, what are all the what is the sum of all possible values of k? God damn, dude, they're really trying to hurt us today, dude.
Yeah, so let's write the rules down in algebra.
Yeah. Okay. So wait, does HC and S refer to the number of people?
Activities. I was referring to the activities there to make it easier writing, but do we want to say people? How do we want to do this? So this is
I don't know. I don't actually know. Actually. Okay.
I didn't have a start when I looked at it. That helped you. That helps you.
Mm,
So 10 students, 10 something,
10 students participated in all 3. That's like
10
fixed.
equals.
Oh, I see. This is the cap. This is the cap. Is that 10 participated in 3?
Not the cap.
Well,
It's
it's
not
like
the
the
cap.
fixer. It's gonna fix things.
Well,
It's not the cap, but it's gonna
There's-
control things because
let me show you. Let me
now I
give you
need
this concept.
I need these percentages to somehow work out.
Let me give you my falsification on this. What if there were 30 students in total, and 10 of the students, they participated in all 3, but
Uh-huh.
all the rest of them participated in 2 activities.
Yeah.
Well, that's perfect. Based on
Okay.
these rules, that is perfect.
Except it's like 50% participated in.
And at least between the 2 participating boat, and only 2 have been done.
Oh, okay. Wait. So the 50% includes hiking and canoeing, as well as hiking, canoeing, and swimming.
The
that what you're
10
saying?
students in all 3 means they did hiking, canoeing, and swimming. The percentages say that some amount of people,
Yeah.
50% n, whatever this people is. Now, why would I say? What do you think I'm saying n right now?
N is the
Dude.
total number of people, total number of kids
No, I'm
going
not
to
using
the school trip.
summation. I'm thinking about summations too.
Okay.
But 50% of n of some n value is at least h and c. They could have this been h and c.
No. What does the at least part mean to me though? Sorry. Does the at least mean it includes HC as well as HCS?
It could be hc or hcs. This is a
Good. There we
weird
go.
one.
That's what I'm asking. Oh, what's up, Alex? Sorry, let me bring Alex up to the board. Alex, if you want to come up to the stage, you can come up. Or you can bring him up. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Okay.
I can.
you
I
got
can
it.
have one button. I can get that.
Yeah. What's up,
If
Alex?
I can find the button.
What's up,
What's up?
dude? What's crack a
You want to do
lack?
it now, then? You want to stop and do that?
Yeah, Alex, you want me to help you do your question real quick? Because this one's gonna take a while.
Here-
I
oh,
can
he's
already
adding
tell
another one
us.
too. So we got 2 by the way.
I can already
now.
tell this is gonna hurt me. This
Sure.
question. Yeah. All right. Let's help.
Yeah.
Let's help your question out. 'cause-
We got 2 of them now. You
I
gave us
sent
2.
I sent my question yesterday.
Did you
but
need
I
help with that
thought
one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
The
fine. We
you
can do
don't
it.
need to do the first one because I accidentally sent that. But what's it called? I thought your stream was gonna end at 10, like always.
Oh,
It's
yeah. No, it
stream.
depends on the day. Depends on the day. So some streams end at 10. Some streams end at 9. Some streams end at 8.
Some streams at 11 if you do late.
Yeah, some of them go really late sometimes if I want. If I'm feeling generous with my time. Okay, here. Let's try to do this one. Is part A the one you need help with here, Alex? This one right here.
Both.
All right, that's cool. All right, let's do it. The circumference of a regular discus used in men's Olympics, tracks, and field events should be 691.15 millimeters. The manufacturing tolerance is within 3.15. Okay, that's cool. Do you know what all these words mean, Alex? Do you know what like tolerance means?
Nope.
Oh, it's okay.
Range of values. So,
Yeah, I'm trying to think
minus
like in eighth grade terms what we would think. Like I'm thinking right tolerance.
plus or
Has
minus something.
anyone ever said like you have a low tolerance for like spiciness?
Yeah. So like
Yeah. What?
I
does
don't
that
take
mean?
spicy. Like I don't take the spice enough. Like
Yeah. Like the amount of spicy things you can eat is like very small, right? That's a low tolerance, right? Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, so tolerance is kind of like the wiggle around a certain number, okay? So
Plus
let's
or
say
minus
for
something.
it's a plus or minus is technically what it's called, but let's say for instance you were trying to guess I don't know I'm trying, what are you interested in, Alex? What do you like to do? Like, what's a fun thing you like to do?
Soccer.
You like soccer? Cool. All right, nice. Soccer's cool. Okay. Do you know that when they pump up soccer balls, that there's a certain pressure that the soccer ball needs to be at?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. So that pressure is measured in what's called PSI. At least in the U.S. it is. And so let's actually look up what the PSI for soccer ball should be. PSI for soccer ball. Oh, actually, ooh, there's a range. Oh, that's a pretty big range. Okay. I'm just gonna say it's around 12. Okay. Let's say the PSI for a soccer ball should be 12. Okay. But
Yeah.
it's gonna be hard for you, Alex, right, to get exactly 12 on the soccer ball, because sometimes you might inflate it a little bit too much, and sometimes you might inflate it a little too little. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that amount, let's say like sometimes you do it as low as 11, and sometimes you do it as high as 13. Okay.
Yeah.
This range here, right? Do you see how this is 12, and then it's like 12 either -1 or it's 12 either +1?
Yeah.
Okay. We would write these soccer pressures as being 12 as 12 plus or minus 1. Okay. Where
That is a crucial thing for that plus and minus. Know that 'cause that's an aperion.
yeah,
That's an
this is
aperion
gonna
when
come
you're
up.
solving.
This is gonna
quadratics.
come in a lot in math. You're gonna see this plus or minus symbol. It's a weird symbol, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This just means you either add 1 or you subtract 1. Do you see how 12 plus 1 gets you 13, which is like you inflating it a little bit too much, and then 12 minus 1 gets you 11? Yeah? Okay, cool. All right. This plus or minus 1 here, Alex, this is called the tolerance. Okay? This is how much it varies from like some center value, some center number you want. All right?
And also plus and minus. The reason I read it that way, because plus and minus is absolute volume. Is
Correct.
the distance between 2
Yeah.
points of an absolute value.
Yeah.
Is the distance to 0 and then back to the other distance.
Mm-hmm. So let's see here. Okay. It says which equation can be used to determine the maximum and minimum values of x, the circumference of a regulation disk. Yes. Okay. Cool. All right. So they're saying that the tolerance is allowed to be 3.15. So you're
So the
allowed.
minimum
Mm-hmm. So what's the minimum?
3.15.
Well, no. So the minimum would be 691.15 minus 3.15. Okay. That would be the minimum. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What would the maximum be?
3641 plus 315.
Good. 69.15 plus 3.15. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's the maximum. Okay. Cool.
How do I get part A?
Yeah. How do you get part A? Right. Part A looks kind of weird. Yeah, I agree, dude. So
Let's do part B, because part B is actually a little bit helpful. The reason to
Sure.
do tonight is we check our work with part A.
yeah, sure. Okay. So for part
That
B
also
here,
kinda
do you see how they
makes
say
it
determine the maximum and minimum circumference?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're just going to do this. You're going to do, right, the minimum was 691.15 minus 3.15.
Yeah.
And when you do that you can do it with a calculator, you can do it by hand. This is going to get you
Actually, there's a decimal cancel.
688. Yeah, that's what it's going to get you. Because watch, you can do it this way. If you do 691.15 minus 3.15, you can like line things up this way, yeah?
Oh, for some reason, the top one, it looked like a 4 instead of a 9.
Oh, yeah, my 9s sometimes look like 4. I mess up sometimes. No, I mess up, dude. You're totally right. I screwed up, dude. I hate when that happens, dude. Anyways, so this is gonna be 688. That's gonna be the minimum, okay?
Yeah.
All right. And then how would I get the maximum?
You add 691.15 plus 3.15.
Good, exactly. Yeah, 6. I need my 9s to not look like 4s. Wow. 1.5 plus 3.15. Okay, good. So if we add these, right, this is going to go to 0, carry the 1. This is 3, decimal, 4,
9,
9,
6.
6. 694.3, okay? So that's the maximum, yeah? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the arrow too.
Sorry, what?
Your arrow too.
Oh, yeah, I should put the arrow there. Okay. Okay, cool. All right. This is actually kind of tricky, honestly, Alex. The way they word this, I really don't like this. But what they're saying is like, so X is the ball, and then you want to figure out the difference between the ball and what it should be. So here, this is what the ball is, and then 691.15 is equal to what the ball should be.
Well, it's not actually a ball is, so there's no ball in this case. It's just a drawing.
A discus or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna call it the ball. It's a round thing. It's a spherical cow. Okay. So what would the difference? What would the tolerance? What would like the error be in math terms of the ball? What the ball is versus what the ball should be?
So ball should be. So the X, I think it's X plus 9, 691.15.
Close. It's going to be X minus 691.15. Okay.
Why?
Okay, good. This is the difference between what the ball is and what the ball should be. Okay. Let's try to put this in like simpler terms. Let's say, for instance, you're supposed to have.
Sorry, it's my dogs.
Oh, it's okay. Okay. Let's say you're supposed to have I don't know, like 40 Pokemon cards. Okay.
Yeah.
But you actually have
30.
30. Okay, cool. What's the difference? Like, how much are you off? How much are you off by?
10.
Good. And so let's see how you would have gotten that 10. Would you have done 40 plus 30?
No.
No.
I got you 7.
That would have got you 70, right? That's wrong, right? Okay, cool. So I would have done, right, 40 minus 30, but in reality, you could have also done this. You could have done 30 minus 40,
Yeah.
which would have gotten you what? What if it was 30 minus 40?
10.
You would have gotten negative 10, right? Because it's a small
Negative
number
10.
minus a big number. Yeah, good. Negative 10. But I want the difference to be like positive, because it's just like how much it's off. I don't care if it's below or above. It's just how much is it off. The way to get rid of that negative is to put an absolute value around it. And now you would get the error is this. Yeah. You see how you... Yeah?
Can you do the other question?
Yeah, so wait. So for this one, Alex, right?
So,
This is going to be X minus 691.5, because that's the difference between the two.
yeah.
And then you need the absolute value between it to make sure that the difference is positive.
Why would the second one be wrong?
This one right here?
Well, here's an easy way to prove it.
Yeah.
Here's an easy way to prove it. Try solving the problem. See what happens.
Yeah. So he's saying that, let's say, for instance, your ball was 700, right? If I did 700 minus 3, that would give me a difference of like 697, which is huge.
Yeah.
Right? That's not wrong. That's not right. Yeah, right? So, yeah. You want this, the difference to be equal to that. What's sorry, one sec. Papa Dorfy says, hey, another streamer recommended me to you. As you said, you have a PhD in physics. I do have a PhD in physics. It's a very small question, not even a problem. Can I ask? Yeah, you can ask. Ask whatever in the chat, dude. I mean, as long as it's not something like, is water wet or something?
This type of understanding tolerance and understanding plus minus. This is also used in percent error as well.
Yeah, this is good with error. Yeah, we would just divide by it.
Percent error as well. So when you're doing, you get into these sciences as well.
Yeah, one sec. Popped over. Oh, this is a relativity question. One sec. Let me answer this question. And then, Alex, I'll do your other one. It says, I was wondering, you know that the phrase where people say the speed of light could travel around the Earth 7 times in 1 second? Well, how would it do that if you can't go in a circle at the speed of light?
It's his first part that's important. I don't know physics at all, but in order for something to turn the speed of light, it
Oh.
would need to go faster than the speed of light, right? But isn't going faster at the speed of light impossible?
Correct. Yeah. So the difference here you have is between what's called Galilean velocity addition and relativistic velocity addition. Mirrors, Jeff. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, that's a common thing. Papadoria 007. Yeah. Okay. Is that people would say that, for instance, if I'm on a platform and it's moving forward at 5 meters per second, and I throw a ball from the platform at 3 meters per second, and then someone's just chilling here, on the beach, just watching me, they would see it move forward at 3 plus 5, which is 8 meters per second. Yeah, this is called classic Galilean. I think it's called Galilean. I think it's Galilean velocity addition. Yeah, Galilean velocity transformations. Yeah, exactly. No, it's called Galilean. Yeah, this is what it refers to. Newtonian. Yeah, it uses Newton's laws, but it means that the velocity of something is the relative velocity of the frame it's in plus the velocity of the frame. And this does work for things that are not close to the speed of the light. But when things get to the speed of light, they don't do that anymore. And mainly because nothing can really travel at the speed of light besides light. And light can't really throw more light. There's also this thing where if stuff starts to go to the speed of light, it starts getting really heavy. There's a mass and speed invariant thing that messes up with stuff. But yeah, what you're thinking about is relativistic velocity addition, which works like this. Here, this is relativistic velocity addition, which is, there you go. It's basically this. So, can I see the image, please? Thank you. There you go. Oh, that's very small. I can't really see this any bigger. Wow, that's terrible.
You can copy it and put in your own thing.
Yeah, here, I could just do this.
You have an entire whiteboard full of space.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So these are the equations that you have to use in special relativity. Melon Spawn said, "Yo, I just joined. What's happening?" We were answering a viewer question about a common relativistic thing. Wow, Penn Center, thanks for the sub, dude. 16 months. Wow, we've known each other that long. Sweet 16, baby. Love that. Are you joining us, Penn Center, for the Pi Day celebration on Friday? Zach's little trivia thing. I'm super hyped for it.
I hope he would be.
Yeah, I mean, Penn Center is a pillar in our community. I love you, Penn. Check, Papadorfia, if you want some cool books on how, this is called special relativity, by the way. These concepts of things and these almost like paradoxes of things going faster than the speed of light and not faster than the speed of light.
That's that done for you, Pen.
Oh, there he is. Okay. The book that I like, it's called A Brief History of Time. This is a really cool book. And actually, depending what level of physics you're in, there's also A Briefer History of Time, which is it's kind of not a dumbed down, but it's more for the average person to be able to understand with how relativity and stuff works.
Stephen Hawking, yeah.
Yeah. A Brief History of Time is pretty intense. There's a lot of math involved with it. A Briefer History of Time makes it more conceptual. This is a pretty good special relativity book, so...
Penn will not be doing... Penn will not be doing things on Pi Day.
Oh, okay.
He's editing the tweets since he knows all the answers to it.
Oh, I see. So Penn Center, I'm gonna talk to you, dude, if I want to win the trivia. Melon says, how is the expansion of universe faster than light? Oh, okay. Is it? I guess it kind of makes sense. I've seen that before. They talk about that with the shifts.
Uh-huh.
My cell phone number is 687-5309.
Was that while you
Dr. Gold,
What's up, brother?
when is your birthday?
My birthday is April 5th. So, coming up.
Oh,
Less than a month. Less than a month. I'll be turning 35.
that's cool.
I'm getting old.
Dang.
Yeah, I'm very much math oriented, which is good. I'm currently taking partial. Oh, PDE's cool, man. So I think I'm fine with the math, but for physics part, I need to freshen up. Yeah, then go read A Brief History of Time. That's a good book for some good special relativity. I forget the other one people use. Special relativity book.
Dr. Gold,
What's up, buddy?
guess when is my birthday?
When's your birthday?
Guess.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Your birthday's tomorrow. Wow.
Yeah.
That's super cool, man. Happy early birthday. We might see you on the stream tomorrow then, right? For your actual
Yeah.
birthday, or are you going on a birthday party?
No, I'm gonna be on the stream.
Oh, okay. Well, here,
I'm gonna
we'll-
celebrate.
How are you going to
Say it
celebrate?
again.
How are you going to celebrate, you said?
My parents are gonna take me to my favorite restaurant.
Oh, that's sick. What's your favorite restaurant?
You know the Japanese Kobe's?
It like Benihana, kind of?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it's called hibachi. Hibachi is really fun.
Hibachi, yeah, hibachi.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Oh, that stuff's dope. Is that where they like make like the volcano out of onions and then they...
Isn't that where they cook right
Yeah.
in front of you?
Wow.
Yeah.
Damn, dude. That's
I
cool.
love that place, bro.
I haven't been there. That was like the last dinner I had with my ex before like she broke up with me.
Oh, nar. Oh, nar.
What
I don't know.
happened?
I don't know if I can go back to hibachi. It's like fucking
Joke.
Benihana, dude.
No.
No, that was a long time ago. It was like 4.5 years ago. I don't really care. But anyways, I was gonna say a special relativity book. You know what I think there is? I think it's the Feynman lectures on special relativity.
Your birthday is a day before One Piece finally comes back from like
Oh.
6 months hiatus.
Okay, this is it. This is it. The special.
No.
Okay, here's what
I'm-
y'all should watch this. Go watch
I'm
this.
Episode 265.
That's
Only
a lot of stuff.
200. I'm already at 1,200.
Gold's ex didn't appreciate his onion volcano of love. Oh, Penn Center. You know me. You know me. It's okay, dude. If they don't want you at your onion volcano of love, they don't deserve you at your, what is it? Ooh, the fried rice. Dude, the fried rice is the best. Yeah, I love the fried
Yo.
rice. Yeah, that stuff's good. Especially when they flip the egg in it and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Oh,
Everything
y'all
in
get me
that
hungry for
restaurant is
hibachi,
so
dude.
Good, bro.
Y'all get me so hungry for hibachi. Now I want it. Let me think. One sec. I'm trying to remember what else. Vsauce. He says Vsauce. Let's check out this Vsauce guy real quick, and then Alex, we'll do your second question, and then I'll come back to Shamtrix's pain question. So
Yeah,
Vsauce. Who is Vsauce? Oh, this guy looks cool. Well, he's got 24 million followers, so he's got a lot more than I do.
There's also, and note the title, note the thumbnail.
Yeah, he's got
There's
a
more
cool. Oh, okay, cool. So he.
He's got 1, 2, 3.
He only posts shorts now. Yeah, the reason why he probably does that is because no one has the attention span for long form content.
Actually, the reason he does it, he also posts on other channels because he has more than one Vsauce channel.
Okay, that's cool, man.
So
Some people went from like 30-minute videos to like under 10.
Yeah. You know, it's not your fault, actually. I mean, there's a whole thing on this. Fortune,
Yeah.
there was an article. It's like, what was it? Okay. Kids using influencers versus experts. Taco Cat. Here we go. Gen Z tells us why they stopped trusting experts and started using TikTok influencers instead.
Right.
Yeah.
Nice.
And
Which is
it's a very interesting article, actually, and it talks about basically that influencers feel like friends. The more you see them, the more you trust them, you know. And these influencers sometimes post like 10 times a day, so you see them a lot.
Yeah.
Experts are dismissed because they're inconvenient. Yeah, because experts usually take a lot of time to explain the nuances of why something is. And then
Yeah.
the algorithm means no one has to search for experts. That is true. The algorithm just serves you like the most popular stuff that's there. And then I thought there's an interesting conclusion about this, which is that we haven't seen a massive drop in knowledge. So students still are learning things, which is great. So people aren't getting like absolutely stupid, but they are seeing a drop in discussion. So it means that students are questioning less things. They're not discussing whether it could be this or this. They're kind of just accepting, well, Pokimane said it was this, so it is.
That's stupid.
I know that's stupid. No. So
What is that? Is
anyways, that's our life in a nutshell sometimes.
Hey,
Okay.
I want you to search something up.
You want to what?
I want to search something. Can you search something up really fast?
You want me to search some? Okay, good. He says it's nothing. What do you want me to search? What do you want me to search? And then we're gonna do your next question.
Go search up Puerto Rican.
Oh.
Oh no.
Puerto Rican
order for the entire thing
president.
and then type it.
Puerto Rican what?
President Miriam Ramirez.
Miriam Ramirez. Okay.
Puerto
Puerto
Rican
Rico's a
nightclub.
Go to images. Go to images.
Oh. Go to images. Is
That's
this
my
her?
grandma.
That's your grandma. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Wait, your grandma was the president of Puerto Rico?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fucking sick, dude.
That's dope.
Yo. What?
Yeah, okay, that's cool, dude.
Crazy.
Yeah, nice. She was born in Puerto Rico. That's cool. No big deal.
Oh, hell
Yeah,
yeah.
dude. We got low-key celebrities in on our chat today, dude. Yeah. Nice.
Hail the grandson of the
Yeah.
president.
Wait, is she still alive? Is your grandma still alive?
Yeah.
Well, your grandpa is not though, because your grandpa died in 1998.
My grandpa is not dead.
Yeah, or maybe she got
Yeah.
married or something. Yeah. Okay, that's really cool, dude. Puerto Rico. I've never been. I've heard it's a fun place though.
So it says a drafting one here.
No big deal.
We've done this before. We've done this type before.
Have we done this question? Have we done this question before, Alex? The second one you have? Have we done this one?
No,
This one
we
coming
haven't
up right
done
here?
that specific one. You know,
Is this
I
one you
know-
need help
we
with?
have. We have done that.
No,
we'll
I
look
don't
at
think. No, I don't
No.
think we have done this
you.
one.
We have. We've done the exact one. You know how I know?
How do you know?
I'm about to copy it. I'm about to copy the other image.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see, Alex.
Here's
Alex,
the-
Oh wait,
do you know how to do this one?
I might have submitted the same one. I can show the other one
Here's
Okay,
the
yeah,
copy tab.
because
Send
I
me-
have
send-
multiple.
Okay,
This is
yeah.
from the
Send
5th
me another
March.
one. Send me another one. You're good, dude.
This is from the 5th. This other one's from the 5th of March. And,
Okay.
same question.
Same question. Well, we'll give.
Let's see
We'll
if I
give
find it.
I'll check this off. So we've done this one.
Man, it's fucking hot in this room. What is the temperature? 80 degrees. Okay, it's kind of warm. Vsauce is a cool guy. Vsauce is a cool guy.
Don't cook yourself, please. Oh, Gold, you were asking about
was
the
asking
last
about?
names, whatever. In Russia, so
Yeah.
my grandma's name is Dmitrieva with the A at the end.
But your grandpa's name is
Uncle-
Dmitriev.
Yeah, Dmitrieva.
Oh,
Well, I
okay.
don't have an uncle anymore. Not uncle, grandpa.
Yeah.
They divorced
Yeah.
and stuff, whatever.
Well, there's still your grandpa, just not legally.
God knows where.
I don't know how that works.
Yeah,
No, that's
there.
just.
That's
That's
the
what we're spelling
gold.
off. We all use decimals.
All right, what's up, dude?
Okay, so I gotta tell you guys, but what stays in here stays in here. Okay.
Okay, but do you realize what stays in here also like stays on the internet because technically we're live.
Hey yo.
Yes,
was
that's
not-
correct. So,
Yeah.
if you say
Yeah.
Alex is on,
Yeah.
on
Definitely doesn't.
Wait, can they see
part
the?
of the Timby topic.
It definitely doesn't stay here because we're live on Twitch and YouTube.
I forgot.
Bro's about
I was about
to
to
drop
say-
the most unclassified information. Yo.
He's like, "Hey, Doctor
Or
Gold,
classified.
what stays? What I say here stays here." I'm like, "No."
Sorry, I
I'm gonna stop you right there.
I could easily just mute if I have to. Muted. If I have to.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna. No, it's fine. It's fine. You can always DM me things. I always say if you want to tell me things that you don't want the public to hear, you can always DM me. That's okay. Okay, here, let's try to do Alex's question, because, yeah, I do want to run through some stuff. I got to help Nick out, too, right? Isn't your TrackMan test coming up soon? Yeah?
Yeah,
What's up,
on
E-Raven?
Sunday.
On Sunday.
I can say part of it, but like I can't say everything.
Okay. Just blur out the last two numbers of your social security number or something, yeah.
I was about to
I don't even know. I don't even remember that.
Well, it's okay.
Yo,
What's
God.
it? Okay, so my grandma,
Yeah.
she talked to the president of. Can I see the group chat?
Yeah, you can send it in the group chat, but that also gets published on Twitch and Discord.
I'm gonna just put the first letter of the place.
He talked.
Bro.
Okay, cool. The president of something that starts with the letter R. What could that be?
Russia.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh,
Mr.
no.
Putin. Mr. Putin. Mr. Putin. Yeah. Okay, here. Let's do this question, Alex. I mean, that's cool. I'll DM you later about your mom's discussion with our what is it? Our greatest adversary or something. I don't know. Okay, the function g of x models the price of gas in dollars from January 6th to August 20th, where x is the number of weeks. X is the number of weeks since that day. Select all the numbers of weeks since January 6th where the gas price was exactly $2.52. Oh, that's cool.
Now, this is a neat one because it says number of wheat cents, so it's already taken care of the math part, that part for you.
Yeah, since then.
It's finance
Trudeau
and
says-
put the track runs.
Not anymore, Penn Center, right? Didn't y'all get a new prime minister? Our Canadian friends.
Cool.
Okay. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set this price, right? 2.52 equal to the rest of this function. So absolute value of 0.05 x minus 0.85 plus 1.77. Okay. Do you know how to solve this?
No.
No. Okay. All right. So
I haven't had it in the last week.
you haven't had what in the last week?
I haven't had a teacher my whole school year.
What? Then
So
how
I
are
don't
you
know
learning?
most of the stuff.
Well, how the fuck are you learning math?
I'm not learning. I'm just getting assignments from a long time sub.
Damn, that sucks, man. I'm sorry. Well, okay. Then, yeah, this is great for us to help you learn via the stream then. We can be your math teacher for the time being.
Yeah.
Yeah, all good. Okay, so this is an algebra thing where we're trying to solve for this, okay? We're trying to get this. All right? What we want to do is we want to try to take the numbers that are far away from it and put them on the other side. That's the general strat in algebra. Okay? So, what's the number very far away from this x? You can just pick one.
1.77.
Yes, dude. This 1.77. Okay. If I want to get rid of this 1.77, what am I going to do?
Minus 1.77.
Correct. Yes. So we're going to minus 1.77. We're going to minus 1.77. And then doing this, this is going to give us 0.75. Is that right? I think that's right. 0.75. Okay. And then this is equal to the absolute value of 0.05x minus 0.85. Okay? Good so far?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what we want to do, so this is where things get kind of tricky, is that, do you see how we have these bars around things? These absolute value bars? These are kind of like jail cell stuff. This is like preventing us from going inside and solving for the x here. So we need to get rid of them somehow. What's up, the boss? Yeah. So the way we do this is we're going to write this out. Whenever you see absolute values here, this means that there's technically two different equations that we need to solve. Have you heard that before? Like,
He's silent.
friends.
He's
Oh.
muted now.
Oh, he's muted now? Oh, maybe he's like talking to his dog or something. What's up, not even trying the boss? Let's say this, for instance. Absolute value of x plus 3 is equal to 5. Let's see, whenever Alex comes back, I'm going to ask Alex if he knows how to do this one. Penn says, we pulled a UK and decided to invite an unelected leader in. He wasn't elected? Well, how is he your leader then? I'm confused. Oh, did he pull some sneaky shit where the party just like nominated him in, kind of how like they did with Kamala? That was wrong. Yeah.
Well, you see, that's what parliamentary democracy is. You don't vote for the person, you vote for the party.
Oh, and then the party just does fuck all they want?
The party can just replace leaders at a whim.
Oh, that's fucked up, dude.
Gone, by the way. Oh, there he is. He's back.
What's up, Alex?
I can...
See if Alex comes back. How's my day going, bro? My day's going good, dude. It's a nice Tuesday. It's rolling. I did shoulders and arms today at the gym. I wrote a profile thing for a entertainment agent to maybe get some gigs with Nickelodeon or something. Oh, my phone is almost dead. He'll join in 10. Okay, totally cool. All right, we'll come back to this question.
Back to Shantrits then, I guess, right?
Yeah, let's go back to Shantrix. Let's go back
Or
to
do we want to do Aspect? Or do we want to do those Tradman?
I have been summoned.
Okay, Nick. All right, whatever. We'll do your question just because Shantrix's question like hurt me.
Shantrits is also ultimate bowl stuff. So it's also
It's okay.
petition problems. So
All right.
it's not absolute.
All right, Nick. Let's. Which question do you need help with? Oh, Shantrix. Someone's asking if the answer is 185. You sent me a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, the first two that are together, I'm confused because one says length, width, and height two different ways.
That's
I
okay.
don't understand which one is which. Or supposed to be.
Oh, what do you mean two different ways?
Like, height is height, length is from right to left, and width is from front to back.
Yeah.
And the other one, width is front is the front, is the right to left,
Oh.
and
I
length
see.
is front to back.
Yeah. I mean, it's all about perspective there, right? So, for instance, yeah. Don't worry about what they label it. You know. You know, if the person was looking this way, right? Now this looks like length and this looks like width, right? But if the person is looking this way,
Right.
now this looks like wide and this looks like length, width, and length, yeah? So
which one is it supposed to be? Like, if you're looking straight at it.
if you're looking,
problem here, the heights
if you're
are
look-
different, which means there's a
yeah,
difference
the
there.
numbers are different. If you're looking straight at it, I would usually think the thing you're looking straight at is the length, and then the
Mhm.
horizontal distance in front of you is the width. That's not a
Right.
Doug. So but there's a question related with this one, right? Is it? Where is it?
5 to 14.
It's a different one. It's the underneath.
Oh, the total number of ties, or which one?
Yeah, that one. The figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3.
Ah, okay. One sec. Let me zoom in on this.
Because one of the questions asked if
Dude, I love these questions, dude. What?
if all the ties were shown in figure 3 were laid end to end to form a guardrail, the length of the guardrail will be 72 feet.
Dude,
Because
what?
I got confused which is length, which is width.
Okay. All right. Let's see.
The second one with this picture.
The second one.
Yeah. They're both together.
Okay. Let's see. We're trying to do this one. All right. It says in figure 1, the number of steel bars in a stack is. Oh, interesting. Oh, I see. They want you to try to count this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Look. Okay. So so this is obviously double stacked here, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's up, Max? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that's double stacked. So that means there must be 8 there at least, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So
So
we have
gray,
8.
white, gray, white, gray again.
Oh, interesting. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Dude, this image is kind of tricky to look at.
Yeah.
What's up, Max?
In the beginning, I was so confused.
Oh, I
was
see.
like,
So this is a bar, and then they're saying this is another bar.
Yeah.
And then this is a bar. And then this is another bar?
I think so.
Okay.
Well,
Oh, it's so hard to see.
1, 2, 3. Okay, that's
let
fine.
me have to do this.
I don't know why they're doing that, but yes.
So it's
4
either
and then
10,
5 on top.
Mm-hmm.
The 2 on top.
I see.
So I
Okay.
get
And then you
this
have
later.
this and this. This is like
Yeah.
it'd be nicer if this was color coded, right?
it's
So-
either
I wish.
18 or 10.
Well, watch this. Okay. So we got 4 here, 4 high, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that's gonna get you 4 times
16.
4, which is equal to 16. Okay.
17, 18.
And then you got this one, right? Yeah, the 17 and the 18, and then plus 2. So that's
So
just
either
equal
18 or
18.
10 based on the answer choices.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Good. So, and
Mhm.
18 is the answer choice, right? Yeah, that's what it is.
Or there's 10 as well, which is annoying.
Okay, cool. All right. All right, 18 is good. Okay. And then, okay, it says in figure 1, each bar is 1.5 inches thick. The greatest height of the stack is. How would you figure that out?
1.5 times 5.
Times 5.
Nope.
Yeah. Look. Well, no, watch
Well,
this. Yeah, I think it would be times 5,
Yeah,
right? Look.
he's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. I did 4 and I was like, wait, huh?
It's
Yeah, no.
That's not the
it's
correct
thickness.
answer.
It's
based on
5.
thickness. Okay.
Yeah. So. Oh, Endar got the right answer. Endar, I'm gonna then ask you how you did it. Yeah, 5 times 1.5 is gonna be 7.5, right? That's the same thing as like 5 times 1.5,
Yeah.
which is equal to 7.5. You can also think about this as like 5 times 15, which is
Mhm.
equal to 5 times 10 plus 5 times 5. So this is 50. This is 25. 50 plus 25 is 75. Yeah.
Oh. Interesting.
It's another way to do the math quickly. It's a quick math trick. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. The 2 steel bars in figure 1 are to be bolted together. If only half of the holes in the 2 bars are to be used, the number of bolts required.
Yeah, I don't understand what the hell it's asking.
2 of the steel bars are to be bolted together.
Take any two. Take any two. How many bolts does each one have?
4.
4.
4.
And then only half of the total bolts are being used.
Okay. So 2?
Oops, sorry. There.
If only half
No.
of the holes in the 2
Read it
2
again.
bars are used.
I mean, yeah, that's in the end. How many bars are being used?
2 bars.
How many holes are being used?
4.
8. 4 per bar.
4 per
Oh.
bar.
And how many
Mhm.
has half that?
4.
What's up?
There you go.
I'm
Oh,
back.
what's up, Alex? All right, cool. We're gonna do yours next. So I don't think the answer is 1 then.
4 times 2 divided by 2.
Yeah. I think the answer is 4. Is the answer 4?
No, it's 1.
The answer is
Okay.
1.
So I guess
Hmm.
probably just
If
to
only half
use
the holes in
the
the 2 bars are
minimum
being used.
1, 2, 4, I guess. I don't know.
I don't really understand this question.
Me neither. No
Okay.
clue.
This one's then easy, right? Because they say every bar is 20 pounds, and we have
Yeah.
18, right? So what's 18 times 20? Yeah.
36, and then add another 0.
Yeah, 360, good.
Yeah.
And then the stack originally consists of 6 layers with 4 steel bars in each layer. The number of bars that were removed. Okay. Was
So
okay.
find how many are in the new stat first. And then
Yeah.
subtract
So
from the old.
in the new stack, right? There was 18. We counted that, right?
Mhm.
And then in the old stack, right before we removed things, it was six layers by 4 layers. So 6 by 4 was equal to 24, and then 24 minus
Mhm.
18 is equal to 6. That's what it is.
Mhm.
Nice. Okay, cool. right, let me help out Alex a little bit more.
Mhm.
Alright,
Dr.
nice.
Gold,
What's up, brother?
I'm gonna listen to you, and while you do my question, but I'm gonna work out in my garage because I have a mini gym in there.
Oh, he's gonna work out in his garage.
That's sick, bro. What?
That's-
You're not mentally
wow, dude.
focusing on math then.
well, at least he's getting something done. That's okay.
Mentally and physically work out.
Yeah, he's trying to do both. Okay, Alex.
Multitasking
Um,
that you think you do.
Yeah,
Either.
your garage. Yeah, your garage. Is that what we say? Pen Center. Dude, Nightbot's on a tear. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Anyways. Okay. Here. All right. So when we get to this part, Alex, when we get to
He's
what is
listening.
it? Yeah, the absolute value. We have to remember how to solve absolute value. Do you remember how to do this? Like, for instance, absolute value of x plus 3 is equal to 5. Do you know how to solve this?
The X is 2.
X is 2. That's a good one, right? X is equal to 2. All right. But there's another number that works. What if x was equal to -8? Let's see what would have happened.
It would still work
How would it still work? Why would it still work?
because -8 plus
Uh-huh.
3 equals 5.
-8 plus 3 is -5. Okay. Careful.
-5.
Yeah. And then the absolute value of -5 makes it +5. Wow, thanks for the yes, thanks, Zach. Yeah, we got to 1500 today. Super dope. I gotta reset the goal.
1,500 followers?
Yeah, we got to 1500 followers on Twitch today.
Damn.
That's dope.
That's pretty cool.
That's good.
That's good. All right, do you know how we got this answer of -8 though? Besides just like guessing numbers?
No, I don't know.
Okay, well I'm gonna show you how.
I
Okay.
remember we did this. I remember we did this the other day.
It's okay. We'll do it again, and then you'll remember. So, when you have an absolute value equation like this, you're going to write two equations. You're going to write one where we don't have the absolute value anymore. So that's just going to be x plus 3 is equal to 5, okay? And then the other one you're going to write is putting a negative on everything inside here.
Or
So-
everything outside, depending on which way's nicer.
Exactly. Yeah, whichever is way easier. I like to just teach the kids one way because otherwise they get confused, like which one to do.
And there is the messiness of quadratics, though. They mess
Yeah.
everything up inside.
Right. So here, we're going to make this negative, and then we make this negative. You're just going to multiply everything by -1. And that gives us another equation here. Do you see how I have -x minus 3 is 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so when you solve this one, this is easy. Because you do -3 minus 3. And this you gets x equals 2. Here, how would you solve this one?
Let me think.
Yeah, he's going to think.
Plus
He's going to think.
3 and plus
Plus-
3.
Plus 3 plus 3. So that gets you -x equals 8. All right. Then what's next?
Oh. Make
I-
it positive.
Well, how do I make this positive? There's a negative out front. How do I get rid of that negative?
I don't know.
It's okay. So seeing a negative out front here, dude, is the same thing as seeing like -1 times this. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So in order to get rid of -1 times this, how would I get rid of it?
-1, +1.
You would divide both sides by -1. Do you see how this is like multiplying by x? Which is bad. We don't want it to do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to divide by -1. That gets rid of it. And now you have x is equal to 8 divided by -1. Which, what is that? Negative
So
8.
8
It's just, yeah. So 8 divided by -1 is just -8. It's okay if, I know, like you haven't had a teacher all year because, I don't know, education cuts or something.
Right now, my school's out of A is a D. Second lowest.
My school out of A is a D? What?
Yeah.
It's a rating system. It's a grade rating system.
Oh,
It's a rating
damn,
system.
sucks. What? Oh, I'm sorry, dude. Well,
Yeah.
I'm glad you found our stream at least to help you out. D out of A. It does not. Okay. All right. So now that we know that, let's try to look at this equation that we're trying to solve, because this is an absolute value equation, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what did we say was the trick, right? What's the trick when I'm trying to solve something with absolute values? I gotta write it a funny way, right? What do I gotta do?
Let me think.
Yeah. Pen Center. My life is a quadratic. Everything is messed up inside. I hope your life is centered at the origin, Pen Center, at least, or that it has a local maximum. Or actually, maybe we want it to just have a local minimum.
I don't know.
It's okay, dude. So watch. We're gonna write this out as two different equations. It's okay. You see this enough times, eventually it'll stick. You're gonna write this. Practice. As the original equation without the absolute value. Okay? You see that?
It's not true.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's not true.
Now, what do you mean that's not true? Oh, there's an X. Sorry, I forgot an X. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to write the equation again, but what am I going to do to the stuff inside the absolute value? Yeah, multiply by what?
Multiply by 7.75.
Close. So here, right, we just wrote it. And then here, when we wrote it again, we multiplied everything inside the absolute value by -1.
By -1.
Mm-hmm. So this 0.05x is going to become negative 0.05x.
0.5.
What is this going to become?
Negative 0.85.
Well, it already has a negative. So if I multiply it by another negative, what do I get?
Positive.
Positive 0.85. Nice. Cool? Okay.
Yeah.
These are two different equations we're going to solve for. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now we add 0.85.
Good. Yeah, add 0.85 here. Add 0.85.
So it will cancel out the 0.85.
Well, this will go away. Yeah, exactly. Good.
Yeah. So
This we could add up, right? This is a 0, carry the 10.
0.
So then that's 16, carry the 1.
160.
1.6. Because then the decimal comes down.
1.6.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Followage actually works, Nick? I didn't know that. And that's not even your... That's not... You've had multiple accounts, I'm pretty sure. Okay. So 1.6 equals 0.05x. What do I do next to get the x? What's up, Slayer Darth?
Wait, say it again.
How do I get the x by itself?
Plus 0.05.
You want to divide by 0.05.
Oh, divide
Right, divide by
both
0.05.
sides.
Good, exactly. Okay. Wow, Pen. 1 year, 6 months. Oh, I think that's literally almost the amount of months that... Yeah, wow. 1 year and 2 months. Ooh, okay. Okay, there's a competition. Okay. So when I do this, you could use a calculator for this. But this is going to end up becoming x is equal to 32. Okay?
32.
Yeah, right?
Isn't that a decimal? 0.32?
No,
Decimal.
because it's 1.6 divided by 0.05. Okay. Wow, sensation with the 2 years. Ooh, you've been here a bit. Followage +1. Okay, so if I do 1.6 divide... Yeah, yours is super long, dude. 3 years, that's crazy. Divided by 0.05. Here, I'm going to show you what this looks like. This is the same thing. So 1.6 is the same thing as 16 over 10. And then it's dividing by 0.05 is the same thing as 5 over 100.
5 over 100.
Because, yes, because this is what do we call this? 5/100ths, right? Have you heard that before? Right, like 0.5 is 5/10ths. 0.05 is like 5/100ths. 0.005 is like 5/1000ths. Have you heard that before?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now when I do a fraction divided by a fraction, do you know what happens when you do fractions divided by fractions?
Fractions divided by fractions.
Mm-hmm.
Don't they like cancel out?
They're close. It's called keep, change, flip. Okay.
Oh,
Have you heard that before?
yes. Huh?
Okay, so 16 over 10 divided by 5 over 100 is keep, change. You're going to change this to a multiplies. Then you're going to flip this to 100 over 5. Okay. And now...
Over 5.
Mm-hmm. This is going to cancel some things. So this 0 will cancel out with this 0. And you end up getting 16 times 10, which is 100.
You're missing something. 10 divided by 5 is 2.
I don't want to do that one yet.
And then 5 both have 2s and keep the 1 in the bottom to keep it
Oh,
nice.
you're right. I could do that too. Okay, fine. All right. This cancels. This cancels. I have 10 over 5, which is then equal to 2. And then 16 times 2 is 32. That's how you do it, like, manually by hand.
Yeah.
Okay. You can also probably just use a calculator for this. I don't expect your teacher to make you do this by hand. Okay, so that's one
My
of the
teacher
answers.
lets us calculate it.
I'm sure she does. All right, let's try to solve this one. What would I do with
And
this
then
one?
before we continue, go up to the answer choice, make sure 32 is on the list.
Yes, 32. Yes, see, do you see how
all the answers that apply?
you see
to
how
this
like
question.
32 is one of the answer choices, so you are going to select that one.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. So now let's go down to this one. I wonder what it says for mine.
We subtract 0.85.
Yep.
Good. Okay, so minus 0.85. And that's going to be equal
And
to
what is that?
negative
Yeah.
0.10.
0.10 equals 0.
Okay.
Now we add 0.05.
If we add
Close.
0.05, then it'll be 0.05 adds plus 0.05, which we don't want that.
Yeah, so this is... Do you see how this is multiplying by this? So whenever you got a number
Yeah.
just in front of a variable, that's the same thing as these being multiplied by each other.
Uh-huh.
Okay? So we want to divide this by negative
Divide.
minus by 0.05. Good. Okay. So now, if you have a negative divided by a negative, do you know what that does to the negatives?
Positive.
Good. So this is 0.10 over 0.05 is equal to x. And this might be a little bit hard for you to think about this, but this is like, think about this as like 10 cents divided by like 5 cents. Like 0.10. Yeah. What's 10 cents divided by 5 cents?
2.
Just 2. Nice. Yeah. So that's our next solution. X is equal to 2.
Is that possible?
Oh, it is actually. Yeah. Look, that's one of the answers. No.
That's what we're checking for. That's what you check as you do.
Good. Cool.
And is that all the possible solutions? Yes.
That is.
So
Yeah.
that's a-
Good. So does that make sense, Alex? How to do that one? Yeah.
Or is that also
Yeah.
is that all the possible real solutions? Yes.
Nice.
I'm
Good.
starting
Alright.
to get it.
Good. I'm starting to get. Yeah. I'm glad you're starting to get it, dude. Hell yeah, dude.
Good job.
That's dope.
That's dope.
Glad you're starting to get it.
Well done. Well done.
Yeah. Always come by,
Almost
Alex. Always come by with these questions, especially if you're not learning shit, dude, in like,
Yeah.
your in your classes. Yeah.
And they
Help us out.
expect me to pass. They expect me to pass a test that is 30% worth of my grade.
But they're not teaching you.
Yeah.
Damn.
So
Well-
my parents I already told my parents about this. They said luckily I'm going to high school next year.
Okay.
So,
So you'll have a better teacher at least.
yeah. But I don't know. I'm just trying to lock in. cause like I gotta I'm gonna join this every week.
Good.
To
Yeah,
learn
yeah,
more
please
and
do.
more.
Yeah, because especially the stuff you learn here is needed for your next classes in math. So you want to really make sure you understand stuff now because you're gonna have to learn it
Also,
later.
I learned like higher, like when I watch your stream, I learn like higher stuff, like by whatever, like how other people ask higher questions, like strong
Like harder
questions
things.
that I haven't learned yet.
Uh huh.
I learned from it.
That's dope,
I don't
dude.
know
Yeah.
it, but like I learned from like what you guys say.
Wow. You get it. You get it. That's literally the purpose of this stream, Alex. I'm glad that an 8th grade student understands it because I can't get some adults to understand that.
That's dope.
Gold, are they allowed to put like a 30% of the grade on one little test?
Yes, that's total
Oh, yeah.
final.
Dude, my quantum mechanics exam, dude, my final was 90% of my grade.
What the hell?
What?
Isn't that like a
Yeah.
little bit too much?
Dude, it was, dude. I got
Now the
absolutely like
final-
fucked in that class, dude. Oh,
Fuck 30%. 90
That's
is
insane, dude.
insane, yo.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You what? So if you accidentally like get a really bad grade on the test, you failed the whole class?
Yeah, I failed the whole class because I got like a kind of bad test. Dude, I like was freaking out, man. I was taking this test, and then about an hour into it, I was just like, "Damn, dude, I'm getting wrecked." So I literally
Yeah,
got out of class and walked around the school for like 20 minutes because I was just
I wouldn't even
I was just like,
imagine,
I need to clear my head, dude, because I'm about to like
yeah,
get wrecked.
that's so stressful. What the
It
hell?
was super
And they
stressful.
expect you to actually do it well. Like what?
He's a very hardcore quantum mechanics teacher, and it was great. It was grad school. They can do whatever they want,
Mm.
honestly. Yeah, but
That's crazy.
yeah, it'll happen. Okay.
Before we continue, I want to show you 3 other things for absolute value. Just they're
You want to
more.
show me 3 other things for absolute value? What do you show?
Mhm.
Okay,
I'm
what
going
do
to
you
show you
show?
one other thing about negatives first. You can get your board out because I'm going to use.
Okay.
So, in it, the first thing is just more of a statement case.
Okay.
Negative times something can also be deleted by multiplying by negatives.
Negative. Sorry, what?
Negative of something, right,
Or like -3,
can be deleted by multiplying by a negative.
just by a negative.
Instead of like -3 equals x, you can also just multiply everything by -1.
Oh, I see. You mean instead of dividing by -1, I can just almost multiply by
Exactly.
-1. Correct. Yeah, I understand that.
Yeah, that's just one thing. But the 2 things are absolute value. So let's go back to the example we had earlier. That is the annoying example version.
Well, the other way to get rid of the negative, right? Yeah, is just to do this. Yeah.
Let's see what is the absolute value
Mm-hmm.
of 2x plus 4, and let's set that equal to 8.
Okay.
But here's your rule. You did a
Mhm.
restriction on this time. Solve without breaking the absolute value bars till the very end.
Ooh, solve without breaking the absolute value bar till the very end.
There is an easy way. You know what it is?
What is it?
Understand that absolute value means distance. Right? And a distance says x plus something.
So you're gonna say this is the same
actually gonna
thing
change something.
as
I'm gonna change
2x
something.
plus
Nope, I'm
4
not.
squared?
I'm going to change one thing.
You're gonna do this?
2x minus 4, please. Let me do
Is this
that.
where you're gonna... Yeah, okay, 2x.
2x minus 4. I'm going to do that change just because I need it to be a little more annoying.
Okay, okay.
So what I'm going to do is let's divide everything by 2.
Divide everything by 2?
So absolutely x minus now the other side doesn't get netted. Now, so the absolute value of x minus 2 is that what does that equal to then?
4.
Well, equal to 4. But what do
Mhm.
I notice? Well, that 2, let's make that negative positive. That's plus a negative 2.
Okay.
And what that then entails is that the result of x must be 2 more or 2 less than 4,
Mm-hmm. Must be 4.
and then solved.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah,
And then bring
because this is like the
4 plus
distance.
minus-
You're saying that the distance from 4 is 2.
That's
okay.
telling you what it's saying. Now, why would I want to do that? Well, what are the solutions to this?
6, right?
Mhm.
And -2, or 6 and
Yeah, and
6 and -2. Yeah.
And remember,
What?
what was my wording? How did I word that?
Well, I can't break the absolute value.
What is my wording?
I don't know what your wording is.
What are the solutions?
Oh, we're the solutions. Okay.
And did you notice I never said real solutions?
Are there imaginary solutions here?
There are. There's tons of them. Draft that.
Dr. Gold,
Mm. What's up, Alex?
you want to see the
joke
quote
of the day?
and-
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I love that you don't have a math teacher to teach you math, but they do at least give you a joke of the day and a quote of the day. Like, Jesus Christ. Oh my
For any absolute
god.
value equation, there are infinite many solutions.
I guess there's
Infinitely many
infinite imaginary solutions. Yeah, there could be
Infinite
infinite.
many solutions.
Yeah. What's the joke of the day, Alex? What's the joke of the day? You gonna give it to us?
I'm getting it out.
Oh, he's getting it out. Okay, cool. Technically, in the complex plane, this is the circle at center x equals -2 with a radius of 4,
Mhm.
or x equals
Exactly.
2. Oh, okay.
That's
So-
exactly what it did. So it
Okay. So if this is real numbers and then this is imaginary, you're saying that this is here.
because remember what was our rule? Their distances. Their distance has a value. It's distance. Doesn't annotate.
okay.
It annotates distance. That's why I did that.
I
example.
see.
Then it
Okay.
would make it annoyed. It'd say, well, what are
And
the
then this
solutions?
is
Oh, there's infinite
and then
many.
this is 6. Oh, that's clever. Okay, so the real solutions is only where it intersects the real axis, which is only 2 places.
There you go.
So there's only 2 pure imaginary solutions, though, and then there's infinite combinations. Is what you're saying?
Well,
let's
there's
see
infinite
let's
amount
see
of
what Alex has
solutions
got.
at every point in the circle. And if
Alex-
you decimal
Okay.
this, what happens?
I'll show
You
you
get
the
that
number.
very weird graph.
Yeah.
You don't.
All right, let me
because
see.
it all-
Here. Okay. Wait.
Analogy.
Let me see. Welcome to Tuesday. Do you even know who this man is? Are you
No.
all? Where Monday's history is Monday's history and Friday's a mystery. Dude, what if
Yo.
like what if Monday's a mystery and Friday's a history or something? Dude, wait,
No,
what?
you had an unstable internet warning. I don't know if you.
It's okay. Okay. No matter how good you are, at some point your kids are going to have to create their own independence and think that mom and dad aren't cool just to establish themselves. That's what adolescence is about. They're going to go through that no matter what. That's a really deep quote to like give you as an 8th grader.
Yeah, what?
Jesus. Joke of the day. I am so upset I overslept and I wasn't able to go to the gym this morning. That makes 5 years in a row now. God damn it, dude. All right, that's
So-
funny, Alex. I like that. That was really funny, Alex. Appreciate that.
And that's in that kind of.
Oh, okay. This question.
The value idea there goes into this joke. When someone asks you what are the solutions to something, ask them, you mean real and imaginary?
Right. Yeah.
Because what are the solutions to x to the 4th equals 1?
Always looking for the real ones.
Well,
What's up,
there's
Alex?
four of them.
I had to go because my girlfriend's calling me.
Damn, dude, bro, what?
Girlfriend.
This
Damn.
man is working out at the gym, already got a girlfriend, dude. Excuse me, you're doing better than like 90% of America at this point, dude. Congrats, Alex.
Damn.
Except for your school, which is a D out of an A.
Oh, no.
He's the Sigma child. He is, dude. And his grandma was the president of Puerto Rico. Dude, what? I feel so insignificant today. Okay,
What's it
yeah.
called?
What's up?
See you guys.
Okay, what's it called? See you guys. All right, peace, Alex. Oh,
Bye.
God, it cracks me up. Famish says they're doing better than me, and I'm 22. Don't worry, it's okay, dude. Actually, there was a really good article in. There's a really good article in the Atlantic today, actually. Yeah, right. Exactly. It was the Atlantic. Okay. Teens are foregoing a rite of passage. Oh wait, where's the article? Can I see the article? This is it. Yeah, this is it. Something about like fewer young people are getting into relationships, and it was a cool article. Yeah, what do they say here? Yeah, in 2021, 54% of people 18 to 34 said they didn't have a steady partner, versus in 2004 it was only 33%. So wow, loneliness has gone up a lot. So yeah, don't worry. This you're not alone. Apparently, is what I would say. Like that's happening a lot right now. I forget what the article blames it on.
But doesn't that increase the depression as well?
Yeah.
Ways?
Well, you know what's actually interesting? I remember in the article. No. So apparently, depression is actually kind of down because a part of relationships is depression, right? Like you're always going to go through like heartbreak and sadness and whatnot. So apparently people are kind of happier. Well, the girls are, because girls are able
they're always happy when you give them money.
No, we can't say that. God damn it. No, the scientific reason for this is that girls have a stronger network of friends. Like they are more emotionally capable to maintain friendships with other girls. So they don't, the whole like I don't need no man is actually like kind of scientifically true. So they're able to be happy because they have friends, whereas guys are more likely to be alone because they don't have the emotional capability to like maintain friendships.
We don't open up.
Well, also they say this in the article. They say most men learn about emotional intelligence from female partners. So if they don't have the female partner, then they never learn it. Like you're not gonna learn from your guy friends on like how to be emotional. Y'all just gonna laugh at each other and just call each other a bitch or something. But anyways, so Famish, you're okay. It's fine. 98% of teen relationships fall apart before high school. Is there a joke there? No. I have 2 grown nephews and 1 newborn nephew. I think I'm fine with not being in a relationship or having kids. Yeah, I mean, all for you, dude. Whatever you want. Whatever makes you happy. I mean, I want kids eventually at some point. I think there's kind of a responsibility to repopulate the world with people who are smart.
Repopulate the world.
Yeah. Oh, before high school ends. Oh, yeah. Well, that's because people go off to college, Chantrix. And I don't know. I think the worst thing you can do going into college is going into college with a relationship, because college is the time you're supposed to like go wander around and meet new people. You just meet new people, you know, figure out what you want, what you don't want. Just get out of your town, right? Nothing against like my second oldest sister is marrying her high school sweetheart. Like they've been dating each other since high school. They're getting married. Cool. All 4 of them. They're great together. Sometimes it works out. That's the 2% of times. But everybody else, I always say, like, don't worry about it. You're going to go to college. You're going to meet so many people from different parts of the country, and that's kind of the human experience that's necessary. I want to adopt roommates, to be exact. You want to adopt some roommates? I don't know if you can really adopt roommates. I mean, you can get into a domestic partnership with your roommates if you want, but...
going back to what you said about the test that you were able to leave and clear your head. Yo, that's nice. In our school, if you leave the room, even to use the bathroom, you fail the test instantly.
Yeah.
Leave.
Well, the funny thing is, this is grad school, so they know even if you leave the classroom, and granted, this was before the days of ChatGPT, but even like leaving the classroom wasn't going to help you. Like there was no way to cheat on the quantum mechanics exam. You were just going to get screwed. Like you either knew it or you didn't. So unless you were going to go walk to like a professor's door and be like, hey man, like how do I do this question? There's no way to really cheat on it. Yeah. Famish says, I want to do in-person college next year. 100%. I think that's very important. We talked about it on our AMA podcast back in January. Perry called it the Persian trick, which I do agree. You can get a lot of your intro classes out of the way doing community college or online college first, but the benefits of going to an in-person institution and just learning how to be a social person in today's world is miles above any education you really get online. So it's a good networking tool. I agree too. Yeah.
Plus you get more knowledge in person.
Yeah, you retain things more often. There's a lot of benefits to being in person.
Yeah.
I mean, I understand we had to go online for COVID. We had to switch to remote, to whatever, flatten the curve or some shit. But it's important to and it's never too late, is what I say. So if you feel like you missed out on that, you can always go back to it, and it doesn't have to be college. You could go join like a club, go join like a running club or something, or I don't know. Hey, Dr. Gold, did you do my question? No, we haven't done your question yet. Wow, we got another sub. Wow, thanks, Endar. Appreciate that. Okay, we know the answer to this is 185. Yeah, let's wrap this one because I got to go to dinner.
Are we going to finish more?
Yeah, we're doing Chantrixes. Let's do this. I just want to wrap. I want to wrap this one. Good, Famish. That sounds like a great pathway. You know how to study now, and you're good. Perfect. Love that. Okay. How do we do this one? 10 students participated in all 3 activities. No students participated in fewer than 2. This is also question number 25, which means this is going to be a heater. This is going to hurt, I'm pretty sure.
And also the tube one that we had, that was also in there, that's number 24.
Also, we got new web screenshot questions. Let me see. They came in while I wasn't looking. Fuck. Oh, I missed this one by an hour? Oh, my bad. I'm sorry, dude.
How?
Oh, it's grade 7, though? Okay. Not everything in Retro Bowl. One sec. Let me see. Retro Bowl and not everything. Are you guys still here in the chat? Are you in YouTube? I'll answer your questions just because I know this should be quick. Wait, did not everything already submit this one question before? No, that was Chunks. It was Chunksy. I forget when this one happened. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Meetup is good too. I agree, dude. I agree. This doesn't seem hard, right, Jeff? Okay, if it doesn't seem hard, yeah, y'all help me out with how to do this one. And then we'll try. Yeah. The last statement eliminates much of the Venn diagram. Oh, he says, no students participated in fewer than 2. Right? Okay. Do you want me to draw a Venn diagram for this? I could, right?
But N.
Okay. I like that. Let's do it. Thank you, Endar. Appreciate that. I'm gonna do it.
It's a 3, but yeah, it's 3 sections.
Yeah, here we go.
So. But we know something about this diagram. What do we know?
We know no students participated in fewer 2 of the activities, so that means there's nothing here, nothing here, and nothing here, right? Is that true?
Yes.
Good.
And 10 students in the middle.
HCS 10.
Yep. Nothing outside. Yep. And there's 10 in the middle as well.
Cool. Okay.
60% of the total population N participated in at least hiking and...
Oh, I know what I think I know what you guys want me to do. You want me to do this like X, Y, Z? Right?
Well, there's 3 sets in X, Y, Z. If you like, you can write out all the 8.
Oh, I like this. Okay. Here we go. Z plus Y over N is equal... This is actually not so bad, Chantrix. Thank you. This is equal to 0.5. Hiking and swimming is...
Region 0.5 and minus 10. Wait, Jeff says wait, so you're messing up somewhere.
Wait, I'm messing... Why am I messing up, dude? What? Y'all saying I'm messing up?
Jeff says wait, so...
Oh, thanks, Don. I appreciate that, dude. Good to see you, dog. Good to see you, big dog. Sorry, I've been so bad watching everybody else's streams this last couple weeks. But shout out to you, Don. You're great, dude. I think I'm okay, right? Look, Z plus 10 over N is 0.5. X plus 10 over...
Yes.
Yeah, you're good. Okay, and then K percentage participated in canoeing and swimming. So then Y plus 10 over N is equal to point K. Or I'm just going to say K over 100.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So let's set these to equal to Z, X, and Y.
Yeah, okay. Oh, this is cool. So Z is equal to 0.5 N minus 10. X is equal to 0.6 N minus 10. y is equal to point.
Well, y
Sorry, y is equal to
y plus 1,000.
y is equal to
X, Y, Z,
nk
and 10.
over 100 minus 10. And then
And
yes,
one more
here's the
equation.
big thing. N is equal to x. So x plus y plus z plus 10 is equal to n. Love that. Cool. So I got a lot of equations. I got a lot of unknowns, right? Let's just slam these all together. So I'm going to say 0.6n minus 10 plus
I don't like
0.5n
right now.
minus 10. It's going to work out. Don't worry,
Oh,
Seth.
I'm
Plus nk over 100 minus 10 plus 10 is equal to n. Good. Yeah,
That's
add them.
about-
Right. This goes away. Goodbye. So 0.6 plus 0.5. So I got 1.1 plus k over 100 n minus 20 is equal to n.
And read, and then
K is a positive integer. What is the sum of all positive values of k? Okay.
we need to break n out of its cage. We need to break n out of its cage.
We do need to bring n out of its k. Well, sorry, wait,
1.1 n plus kn over 100 minus 20 is n. Solve for n in terms of k.
yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Solve for k in terms of sorry.
Yeah. Okay, so if I bring that over, that's going to be 0.1 plus k over 100 n is equal to 20. Right?
And
And
break out of the cage because we need k by itself.
we do need k. You're right. Sorry. So k over 100 is equal to 20 over n minus 0.1.
We can simplify this thing. We want k, not k over 100.
Yeah.
Point
So
1 n plus
k is
k
equal
n
to
over 100.
2,000 over n minus 10.
And then one more move.
What's the one more move?
K equals 2,000 minus 10n over n. We want one expression.
Oh,
So
okay.
we're doing the
Sorry.
summation. I don't
So
want
K-
we don't want that to boy thing.
All right. So k is equal to 10.
Polar warning.
Oh wow. What's up, Jack Babbery? Jack Bakery? Okay.
And yes,
This
yes
is-
as well.
This is 10 200 over n minus 1.
And Jeff has used a statement.
N has to be less than
The answer
200.
choices.
Why does n have to be less than 200?
Well, think about the equation you just iterated.
Oh. K has to be positive.
And then what's up with the answer choices? And lower bound is 20. So what the
Yes.
choices?
But there's
What's
more
the
to
answer
it.
choices? You can cancel answers.
What's up, Jack? All right, sorry. Let me think about this. Okay, so n can't be greater. N has to be less than or equal to 200. I agree with that, right?
It's A, B, it's not C.
And why are we saying n has to be greater than 20? Oh, because it has to divide.
That too. Yep.
Oh.
Ender.
Point. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. That comes from this. Yeah, from this assumption here, right? 0.5n minus 10. Very good. Okay, from that assumption, 20 is
And Jeff,
20 is the
true, yep.
smallest.
And then also there's another truth about K now.
K has to be less than 100. Why do we say that? Oh, from
Well,
this. Cool. Very cool. Very cool.
Oh wait, we've one answer. We're out of answer choices then. Oh, sum of all possible values of K.
Yeah.
Oops.
No, not that. Sorry, K is a percentage. So yeah, K has to be less than 100. Okay. So one sec. So K can go as low as. All right. So K can be equal if n equals 200. Well, that's
State
0.
Equality. State is an equality because it's not. It's an equality, not a.
Yeah.
equals.
All right. So K is greater than or equal to 0, and it's less than or equal to 90.
Well, not 0. I don't agree 0.
Okay, whatever. Greater than 0.
Is 20. No, I don't agree 0 though. or less than 2 divided by 20.
200 divided by 20 is 10.
10. 10 minus 1.
90.
90. So that's 90 in total. That's T's 0. No, 0 is not a value. Okay. Whoops.
So wait, where are we getting the 180? Where are we getting the 185? Oh, the sum of all the sum of all the possible values of k.
Summation problem, not a. It's a
Oh
summation.
Christ! I'm a stick.
So that's why I'm trying to make it. I try to make the one solution because it's a summation thing.
No, it's the sum of all of them.
That's why I try to turn it into one thing. This is a
Man, this was gonna be such a nice thing before it got bad. Yes, I agree. N can't equal 200. Yeah, sure. You're right. No, I agree with you.
Of all possible T values.
Okay. So then,
Yes, as well. 50% of n has to be a whole number as well.
oh, okay.
If we half n, it's a problem. We need evens. So n must be even.
N must be even. So,
It must be an even integer between 20 and 200.
and it also has to be. But okay. Yeah, all the ages must make sense. Oh man, damn. This was looking cool, and then it got hard.
It also is annoying. You know why? I'm gonna give you one thing that's gonna be this annoying. Drop that thing that you said T equals 2 on Desmos for me.
What? What do you?
Drop
What?
drop that T equals on Desmos. That's
this?
That thing has an asymptote on it.
10 times 200 minus n over 2.
Is the reason I'm having the thing because this is going to be ugly and make ky and s, and it's going to be nice for you.
Well, it didn't really graph it for me, did it?
Well, make n ets, and ty, and then I'll graph yourself.
Well, shouldn't this graph? Why is it not graphing?
How do you have it written?
Y equals 10 times 200 over x minus 1? Fuck, is it not graphing?
Then find it because you have to fit it where it is.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Way big, and it's also an asymptote.
Oh, so it goes up to infinity.
Yep.
Write out the divisors of 200, which are all the possible values of n, though some have to be thrown away. This is suddenly not becoming a question I want to do.
Yes. No, Endar, the reason of that is we have a multiplication by 10 that we have not dealt with. Which is okay.
You got 2,000 over n?
The reason is we factored a 10 out.
I think we're okay here.
We're fine. So write all the factors of 200 for me. As he said.
All the factors of 200? Oh, that's a
All
lot, dog.
factors.
That's a lot.
But the divisors are 200, which are, yeah, so every little thing that can happen, yeah. And then we don't have to throw stuff away.
Okay. 5 and 5. So
Okay,
2 to the
let's start
third,
with-
5 squared.
Okay. Well, we said something earlier that made some of these go away. No, it doesn't. Yeah. So 25 is impossible. 5 is impossible.
Why is 5 impossible?
Read the first statement about n. Read the statement about z equals for me.
Oh. Well, there's this statement, right? N has to be greater than
That
equal to
too.
20 or less than 200.
25 is out because of the z statement. Z equals 50% of n minus something. 50% of an odd number is a decimal number, which we can't have.
Oh, you mean from this
10.
from this requirement as well, right?
Yeah, percentages.
Well, then there's also like a 2/3 requirement on it too.
Yes, that's true.
That's what we're hoping to hit some stuff out with. Okay, so factors of 200. 2, 4, 8. So 1 200, 2 100, 4 50. There's actually not a lot of factors. You know what I'm doing? I'm doing down. So 1 to 200 is added to stream. I'm gonna write this one. 1 and 100 is the stream. 250 is the next. Nope, 100 it's no 100 1 200 is the stream. Whoops. 450. 4 times 50 and then 5 times 40. 8. And 25.
Please help with this.
10 and 20. And Twitter's not a friend, so there's no any we can. There you go. And what I may want to say that what I was saying when I said I didn't see a friend because Twitter's not a perfect square. It's not an odd number. But there's the list. So let's throw some of this stuff away. Let's throw some stuff away.
Mm-hmm.
Well, based on percentage rules, any odd numbers are gone.
And also, all the 0.6s have to work as well.
Let's do odds first. Odds the easier. 5 and 25 are gone. That's the easiest. Any numbers less than 20 are gone. So throw all that out.
Okay, including the
And
20,
then
right?
25. 20's fine. 20 looks like fine, other than its percentages. 20 now.
This
I
one's
got
okay.
the-
This one's okay. This
odds.
one's okay. Okay, so we only have 3 answers that work.
Really?
Yeah.
How is 40 working? I guess is a question.
40's divisible. 40 multiplies by 0.6, multiplies by 0.5.
What is 40 times 0.6?
24.
Oh, gee. Okay. 40 times 280.
Why does 50 not work? 50 works.
50 doesn't. That works for.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 4 results.
Okay,
Of
and then
those,
we can't have it at
what's the
200
volume of
equal.
Tay every time. Yes.
So-
give me that. So find the values of Tay.
Oh, okay.
Supposed.
So that gives me 40, right? Because 200 over 5 is 40. Oh no, 40. Sorry.
You did what I do backwards.
40. This is 40. 20 is fine. Okay, we'll check it.
40 is 5 minus 1 is 4 times
4
10
minus
is
1 is
40.
3. This gets me 30. That
30,
gets me.
and then-
This gets me 10. And then
Really?
20. Yeah, and then 20
Oh,
gets me
okay,
90. Okay.
How does 20 work? 20 work.
130, 160. So I have 170. Where's the 15 we're missing though?
From a there's another one then. Is 10 and 5? No, 10 and 5 can't work. Does 25 actually work?
25 is odd.
Because here's the thing. 25. Let's put 25 and well.
No, but 25 fails on this one. Right? Well, I got none of their answers so far, so. $90, 40, 30. Oh, I think I messed this up. No, 2 minus 1. Yeah. What's up, Em? Good to see you, dude. 2 minus 1. Not statistics again. It's not statistics. It's challenge questions on math. 30. 40. Yeah, okay. I'm getting 170, so we're missing one of these factors of 200 then.
We're missing a K factor. Remember, when Windows into K, it happens.
Yeah, which means we must be missing something here, right? I got my 80 from n equals 80, but then again I did divisors 2000 because I didn't pull the 10 out. Does 80 work?
No, 80 is 2.5. 80 doesn't. No, 80 doesn't work. It's tutored by 80 is 2.5, which is fine. It's evil. It's fine. 200 by 80 is 2.5 minus 1 is 1.5 times 10 is 15. But does it work up there? Well, it works. You know why? I have 3 reasons here. 80 is an even, so we're fine up there. 80's has this 0.6 in there. And 80, when put into the machine that makes T happen, fits out of 15.
Oh.
We like to spit out 15s.
Yeah, look at this. When this is 80, you get 2.5. 2.5 minus 1 is 1.5, and 1.5 times 10 is 15. Uh-huh. Okay.
As long as the machine, as long as the other system.
I see. Yeah, when you yeah, okay.
Then they go in the machine.
All right. 80 works as well.
Well, you know what? Because I get factors of 200.
Okay, there's the 15. Okay, that's the missing one. Okay. Answer is 185.
80
nice.
Is a factor of 2000 because 80
Yeah,
is not a factor tutored by 10.
Nice. Okay, good.
80
We got the right
times
answer.
10
Yeah, good job, guys.
With the other one. When he says it's a 7th grade competition problem. Last one on the list.
Fucking Venn diagrams. No, that was cool, Chantrix. Once I got to the Venn diagram, this was cool. And then this was just number theory stuff. But it's something that you get better at.
Problem, and then you got your other ones in the other people.
Well, I think I'm done for today. I'm done for today. I gotta go. I'm like super.
Post the others somewhere?
I'm super late to this dinner.
Are you gonna post the other ones somewhere?
Yeah, all good. Okay, cool. What? Sorry, what? Post other ones? What?
The ones from the putting them into the website.
Oh yeah, here I'll post them. Second. Yes, there we go. We had one, and one from Retro Bowl. Retro Bowl, I wish I'd seen your question earlier. I apologize. He submitted this one actually kind of early, and I didn't see it.
What is that first one at saying there?
Yeah, it's just saying factored or something. And then there's another one there.
And
Okay.
it's only number is about.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, yeah.
Verify the equation.
If you found us on YouTube and you want some extra help with your question, come on by the Discord, and we'll help you out with it. But yeah.
And Wendian's going to bump the other twats from Santrids down to finding to be found.
Do that up.
So
Okay,
that's going to be
cool.
down here now. And I'm going to complete the. I'm going to check the other one off.
Okay,
there.
cool.
So,
All right, let me close the
they're
stream.
on the bottom.
Thank you, everyone, for coming to Actual Education Office Hours. Actual Education Office Hours. My tongue is tied today. Appreciate everyone's questions today. We had a lot of fun stuff. Appreciate all the guys that found us from Twitch and TikTok and YouTube. Welcome. Join our Discord. There's the channel for it. It's right there. Our next stream will be tomorrow. That's going to be an hour later, starting at 5 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. Come on by, get some help. If you want to figure out when we're streaming, there's the calendar that you can go look up. And also make sure to go follow all our awesome, friendly math streamer partners. And then, yeah, come by on Friday. Either the 2i Pi is going to do an awesome Pi Day stream. Pi Math Trivia. I don't know how well I'll do at it, but I'll try my best. So, we'll see. Okay, let's go raid another streamer. So let's
Today
see.
is Tuesday, as a reminder.
Today's Tuesday. Oh, Obi's up. All right, cool. Awesome.
Zach
I
up
love
today?
Obi. Is Zach up?
It's Tuesday. He went live earlier today, though, so I don't know if he's live.
No, he goes live in the morning.
No, on Tuesdays he does live in the evenings, but
Oh, I don't see him yet then.
he went live earlier today for some reason, though.
Oh, okay, all good. Okay, I do see Obi up. So let's go say hi to Obi. Obi's doing some math and science work. So if you want to go get some more help with math or science, Obi's doing office hours, so he's open to answer your guys' questions. If you're following us on YouTube or TikTok, sorry, go to that submit website, submit.actual.education, and then there's a link there to click view on Twitch. And when you do that, it'll pull you into the stream we're about to raid, which is another friend. Okay, cool. All right. Thanks, everyone, for coming around. Have a wonderful rest of your Tuesday. And we will see you tomorrow.